Hey, I thought I'd share a little trick that I use in Sublime Text for formatting HTML code, specifically HTML code that contains AMP script for Marketing Cloud. You'll see this code that's on the screen here. It's got a bunch of tags that are all on the same line, and you'll see this when you are trying to edit the code of a freeform content block. It makes it kind of hard to debug when you're trying to find the issue with rendering, or just generally trying to inject code in the right place. It's hard to debug when all of the tags aren't aligned, and you can't really leverage the code folding in your editor very easily when your code's not formatted. So one thing that I like to do is use regular expressions in Sublime Text to get all the tags, beginning and ending tags, on their own lines. And patterns in regular expression are great for like that, for that scenario. So what I'm going to do is I have two regular expression patterns. The first one is going to handle the beginning HTML tags, and then the second one is going to handle the ending HTML tags. So the way this works is I'm going to pattern match all of the beginning tags in HTML, and then I'm going to replace them with themselves, but with carriage returns before and after. So the way this works, I'm going to copy this pattern. I'm going to hit Control H. I'm going to paste it in the box, and then I'm going to put in the replace pattern here at the bottom. I'm just going to replace all. You'll note that all of the beginning tags now are on their own lines. I'm going to repeat this process for the ending tags. Control A, paste, and go back over here and get my ending pattern. I'm going to replace all. And you'll note now that all the beginning and ending HTML tags are on the same line. So then what I'd like to do is I'm going to copy this whole thing, and I'm going to flip over to freeformatter.com and HTML formatter. And the reason I use this one in particular is it won't take out AMP scripts. So when I click the format button, you see my AMP script is still in here. I'm just going to copy this to the clipboard. I'm going to paste it back in. Note that now I can leverage all of the code folding features in Sublime Text, and it makes it much easier to debug. And also you note that it also does the right thing with some of these Outlook specific tags that you find in email HTML. So then the last thing I do is I'll just format the AMP script. Just do that manually. And that's it. Thanks for watching.